Muhammad wa Ali Muhammad salawat. There came a time when there was no response. You left me all alone, and now you've already gone. I missed you, and now it is too late. I need you, but now just grief awaits. And this is why I bring to you a message that has never been told. A message that the world has seen the seventh heaven cry on. And this is why I give to you a message from Sakina to Abbas. There came a time where you had gone and left me all alone. My feelings, you raised them, and now I'm all exposed. I saw you, we saw you, now where do I begin? The children are waiting, now where do I begin? The skies look down upon all atrocities. The water looked up, waiting for you to reach. I saw your face before you left, and now I feel so cold. My feelings, you raised them, and now I'm all exposed. I looked up and stood up, praying for your return. I looked down and sat down, my life for you I'll yearn. Hoping, crying, waiting for you to turn. My cheeks soon now will face the burning pain. I saw your arms divide in two, and now I can't behold. My feelings, you raised them, and now I'm all exposed. There came a time where you had gone and left me all alone. My feelings, you raised them, and now I'm all exposed. My lion, my uncle, your story is untold. When you left to fetch water, what secrets did unfold? Your thirsty heart burning like a red hot coal of flame. Not a drop touched your lips as you remembered your Husayn. My father could not bring you back, and now his back has broke. My feelings, you raised them, and now I'm all exposed. There came a time where you had gone and left me all alone. My feelings, you raised them, and now I'm all exposed. There's fear now, it's clear now, his eyes have fallen red. The ladies and orphans running from tent to tent. Your arms, your eye are for the love of one. Now trials continue under the bright and burning sun. In ropes and chains we leave this place, but mourn forevermore. Your courage, your patience, your flag will always call. Abbas, I prayed for your success, and to Allah you soared. your courage, your patience, your flag will always call. برسقا يا حسين أبو فضل العباس بأوازي بلند صلوات.